Push, Bobby, push. Push, Bobby. Okay. Oh dear. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Guys, welcome to our channel. If you are new, a big welcome to you. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. As you might be able to tell from the title, we are moving again, and if you've been following us, you would know that we moved less than a year ago. So another military move. For those of you who don't know, we are a military family.
Yep.
Another move. Are you excited?
Yeah, I definitely am.
Yeah, I think what about your friends?
Because I'm gonna be sad that I'm gonna be leaving my friends, but then I'm gonna be making new friends in a new area, so it's gonna be exciting to see.
Okay, that's a good way to go about it. These kids are quite resilient, so even though we move a lot, they bounce back quite easily. So guys, this is a packing video. We're starting packing. Yep. I am starting packing, and we've got less than 2 weeks to go before we move. So just hang around with us, and
you'll find
all
out.
The other kids are in school today.
Yeah.
You'll find out what?
You'll find out like what we're doing. Like how we're gonna be doing stuff.
Okay. So all the other kids are in school today. Only this one is home because they've got inset day. So I'll be packing with this one. But I don't like to pack too soon because I don't like to live with the boxes. So less than 2 weeks to go, and I'm just starting to pack now.
So stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned.
You keep telling. What am I stay tuned for?
For all the stuff we're doing, like all the steps, guys.
So what's one of the first steps in your packing?
We're gonna be starting to take down stuff on the walls.
Okay, so you're taking the stuff off the wall. Okay.
Yes.
Let's get doing that. So guys, we have been packing for a bit now, and so guys, we've been packing for a bit, and now it's time for school run, so I need to get the others from school. And we've almost completed the sitting room and the dining room in it. So yes, we've almost completed that, so the packing continues. We might end this vlog here, and this might not be a very long one, but just to say, just to say thank you all for watching. Thank you for your love and support. We do appreciate it, and this will be a tall ride. This will be a tall ride, because we've got so much left to do. But we'll get there. We can do this. We've been doing this, and thank you all very much for watching.